I'm studying in 7th grade. Today I am going to tell about construction of triangle. Now the question is, draw a triangle ABC in which AB 5.5 centimeters, BC 6.5 centimeters and CA 7.5 centimeters. Draw a rough sketch. Draw a rough sketch. AB 5.5 centimeters, here 6.5 centimeters and 7.5 centimeters. And draw a line segment AB 5.5 centimeters and take A as center and draw a 7.5 centimeters arc. And with the same arc, B as take 6.5 centimeters. Draw an arc. To join AC to A comma C and B comma C to require triangle ABC. Thank you.